So today we're looking at this Jaguar XF, and it's got restricted performance because of a blocked DPF. So as you can see at idle, we've got a manometer on there. It's reading, call it 18 millibar. If we take it to 3000 RPM, so 3000 RPM, we're looking at 120 millibar, so that's pretty blocked. So to get access to this, the easiest way, DPF's there in the middle of the car. You can disconnect one of the differential pressure pipes just for there, and then you'll need your own pipe then to put in this place. So we'll inject some fluid into this now and see if we can get this DPF cleaned. So now we've connected our GAT DPF cleaning gun up and filled it full of the DPF cleaning fluid. We put about a quarter of a bottle in, raise the vehicle off. Now we've got it idling and we're just going to put it in now in 15-second bursts. So 15 seconds on, 15 seconds off. And we'll just do that until all of the fluid is in the DPF. As you can see, we've already got a bit of smoke coming out of the back. So we'll just continue to do this now until all of the fluid is in the DPF. Start to get some foam coming out now. As you can see, it's a bit of a grey colour, so that just shows all of the soot is being dragged out. So we're back in the car now. We'll just hold the revs as close to 3000 as we can and just wait for all of the smoke to clear, and then we'll go out on a test drive and take some readings. It's nice to see the old classic Jaguar logo and badge instead of the new monstrosity that they've created. There we are, each their own, I suppose. So we got the car idle now, looking at the differential pressure, so that's already down to about, call it 7 millibar from 18. Take it to 3000 RPM. So that's about 55, as you can see it's still dropping. After a test run now, that will drop even further. So it's another DPF cleaned successfully with GAT DPF fluid.